after taking the bullet out of the body, he was feeling very happy, means doctor was feeling very happy. And the patient felt lot of pain, so he was saying, oh, someone has taken my guts. And Hannah at that time felt little bit upset because the patient was speaking something. And now the condition of the patient was very critical because a lot of bleeding has been already taken place. He was very weak, the pulse was also very weak, but still Sadao gave some medicines and injection to the person and checking the pulse frequently just to observe what condition is going to take place. And gradually the patient was feeling well, though still he was unconscious, but the condition was under control. And next day when he in the morning time, when Hannah entered in that room, means in the room where the American was kept, he woke up and both of them started to talk, but Hannah was saying, no, you should not speak. And the American was surprised how this lady was speaking English. So Hannah told that previously she was in America, that's why she know how to speak English. In this way she was just directing and gave something to eat. And the patient was trying to sit. At that time Dr. Sadao instructed him not to sit because this is not good for his health, and he could die. In this way both of means Hannah and Dr. Sadao took care of the person, means the American. And now every day he was examined. First day, second day, days were going on, and Hannah was saying again, now how we will get rid of this person, and our servants are not feeling happy, they are commenting on us, and now you should do something. And she also told that Yumi was telling that all the servants are saying that we have become very modern because we have been in America, so we are doing something wrong against our country. In this way she was telling now you should but Dr. Sadao said, no, Americans are my enemies, I know it very well, but as a doctor this is my duty to save the patient. So the same conversation was going on, and finally all the gardener was also not happy, cook was also not happy. And even when the cook was saying that our master has become very egoistic because he thinks that he can save anybody's life, that's why even he has saved enemy's life, this is not good, he has become a traitor. So they have finally decided, and even whenever they were talking they were not speaking slowly, they were speaking loudly intentionally, so Hannah could hear. And Hannah was hearing all the conversation of the servant, but she was helpless because she was thinking, if I am going to scold these people, they will go and report to the police, and then that will be very dangerous for the life and for the family of Dr. Sadao. But every day she was saying to the husband, now you should think something. And next day when she went to the American room, he started to give his introduction. He told that my name is Tom, but Hannah said, no need of talking, you just take rest, because she did not like, because of this person she has lost the mental peace, and her family was in danger. That's why she did not want to talk to that person. Well, finally one day Dr. Sadao wrote all the incident in a letter, and he decided to hand over this letter to General Takema, means his head. So, and now he has performed his duty as a doctor. Now he has decided to inform to General Takema as a true Japanese, and he was ready to accept any punishment from the general. So but on the 7th day, two incidents took place. First of all the servants have decided to leave their job, and Yumi informed that now we all are going because we don't want to work in such a house where American is living. And Hannah did not want that servant should go, because it will be very difficult for Hannah to take care of two children and to do all the domestic work. and but still she did not want to lose her dignity because she was with the husband. She did not want to show to the servant that the husband is doing something wrong. That's why with full dignity she made all the payments of the servants and said goodbye to all the servants. And Yumi was saying at that time, if you feel problem in taking care of the baby, or if baby cry, please send your baby to my house, I will take care of it. And in a very soft way Hannah said, okay, I will see. But she was saying to herself, no, never, I will not send my baby to you, because you are not thinking about me and my condition. How can I send my baby to you? I will take care of my baby. In this way finally all the servants have left, and again she was doing all the domestic work herself. And she was saying to Dr. Sadao कि even the servants are far better from we people. They have clear approach and they have decided to leave the job. Still we are not able to take any decisions about this American. You should do something. And Sadao was also saying कि okay, you should not worry. Today I will go to Dr. Sadao. In this way he was thinking. And again, but meanwhile he was examining and he was taking care of the patient, means the American. And the noon time when Hannah was doing work in the kitchen, suddenly she saw that one policeman was at the gate, and she became very panic and upset. She was thinking that, oh my god, perhaps the servant have told the police that we are having an American in our house and we have helped him. That's why police has come to arrest the husband. So she just ran inside to inform Dr. Sadao that someone is there. But finally she came to know that that policeman was sent by General Takema to Dr. Sadao because General Takema was not feeling well. Now the next scene of the story. Meanwhile, it is shown that Dr. Sadao has handed over the letter to General Takema.